Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Once a month, David and I have to dedicate one night for pizza. They're so yummy, especially when made from scratch, and that includes the dough. I already shared some recipes with you, like my cheesy herb dough, the rustic Italian one, and green onion dough. There are a few more up my sleeve, so here's another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cauliflower pizza dough. This is so delicious, not too hard to make, and a healthy way to enjoy pizza without the gluten. On the website, I call it Best Foolproof because it is. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here's our cauliflower that we cut into florets. I didn't go into details on how to do it, but check out the tutorial showing it on the top right corner of your screen to learn more. We're also going to keep the stems, which are delicious, tender, and perfect for a recipe like this one. Alright, so now, using a food processor with a shredding disc, we'll grate the florets and stems until they are about the size of rice. It's quick, easy, and this is the same method I use when I make my cauliflower fried rice. It's nicely done and pretty much even. A great way to speed up a usually tedious task. Next, we'll evenly spread the riced cauliflower on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and to help remove some moisture, we'll transfer to a 400-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 15 minutes, but halfway through cooking, we'll rotate the pan. There's always a hotter spot in the oven, okay? When time is up, we'll carefully remove it from the heat and let it cool off for a good 10 to 15 minutes. It's too hot and steamy right now to do anything. When we can handle the riced cauliflower, working in batches, we'll place it in a clean, thin dish towel, gather the corners, and squeeze out the excess moisture as much as we can. And when I say squeeze out, really do it. This is what makes the difference between a nice crispy crust versus a soggy one. When this step is done, we'll add it to a bowl, fluff it out with a fork before adding a large beaten egg, some sharp white cheddar cheese, followed by almond meal, and yes, you can save money by making it from scratch. And to find out how, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add garlic powder, then ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. There's another ingredient you can make at home, and it's this one, Herbe de Provence. It's a gorgeous spice blend from France. I just love it. On the other hand, you can always substitute Italian seasoning, basil, oregano, and others. We'll mix the ingredients until very well combined. Now, we'll line a 12-inch pizza pan with parchment paper and transfer the cauliflower mixture on it. We'll evenly spread and press the dough out to about a 1/4 inch thick. You can use your clean hands or a spatula. At first, you might feel like it won't hold, but as you press it down firmly, it will stick together. When it's finally nicely compacted and round, we'll transfer to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes or until golden brown. But after 20 minutes, we'll rotate the pan. When half an hour is up, we'll remove it from the heat. See, this is what we're looking for. Ouch, I just burned myself. Now, because cauliflower has a high water content, we'll have to do another step. To make sure the crust doesn't stick to the paper, we'll gently slide a thin spatula under, take another pizza pan, Place it on top so both pans are lined up with each other and quickly flip them over. Then we'll remove the top pizza pan as well as the parchment paper and discard it. If we gently touch the crust, we'll see it's still wet. Well, not that wet, but very moist. So to dry it out, we'll return the pizza crust back to the oven and bake for an additional 8 minutes. And my friends, this is our best foolproof cauliflower pizza dough. As you saw, there are a few important steps to achieve a nice crispy cauliflower pizza crust. It's healthy, gluten-free, and another delicious way to enjoy pizza night. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!